Woodworking is a timeless craft that has been a fundamental part of human civilization for thousands of years. At its core, woodworking is the art of shaping, manipulating, and transforming raw wooden materials into functional and aesthetically pleasing objects. From the earliest humans who fashioned simple tools and shelters from wood, to the master craftsmen of today who create breathtaking furniture and sculptures, the practice of woodworking has evolved and refined itself over millennia. But woodworking is more than just a hobby or profession, it is a vital skill that holds immense importance in our modern world. In this inspirational video, while you look at our today's collection, we will delve into the essence of woodworking, uncover why it remains an essential ability, and discover the keys to becoming a skilled and confident woodworker. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of innovative woodworking ideas, contemporary projects for every skill level. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The essence of woodworking. At its core, woodworking is about harnessing the natural properties and characteristics of wood to create something new and meaningful. Wood, with its unique grains, textures, and tones, is a versatile and enduring material that has long captured the imagination of artisans and builders alike. Through the skillful use of tools, techniques, and a deep understanding of wood's behavior, woodworkers are able to shape, join, and finish wooden components into a wide array of functional and decorative items. From the simple construction of a birdhouse to the intricate design of a hand-carved heirloom, the process of woodworking is a dance between the woodworker's vision and the wood's innate qualities. Beyond the physical act of working with wood, the art of woodworking also encompasses a deep appreciation for the natural world and the materials with which we interact. Woodworkers often develop a profound respect for the trees and forests that provide the raw materials for their creations, recognizing the incredible diversity and beauty inherent in each species of wood. This reverence for the natural world, combined with a strong technical skill set and creative problem-solving abilities, is what gives woodworking its unique power and allure. It is a craft that allows individuals to not only shape physical objects, but also to express their own artistic sensibilities, connect with the natural environment, and develop a deeper understanding of the world around them. The enduring importance of woodworking. In a world that is increasingly reliant on mass-produced, impersonal goods, the art of woodworking has become even more essential. As society grapples with the environmental and social impacts of industrialization, the timeless craft of working with wood offers a compelling alternative that celebrates sustainability, craftsmanship, and the inherent value of handmade objects. One of the primary reasons why woodworking remains an indispensable skill is its ability to foster self-sufficiency and independence. By possessing the knowledge and expertise to design, build, and repair wooden items, individuals can reduce their reliance on commercial products and services, often saving time and money in the process. This can be especially empowering for those living in remote or underserved communities, where access to commercial goods may be limited. Moreover, the act of woodworking itself can be a powerful tool for personal growth and well-being. The focused, meditative nature of working with wood can have a calming and restorative effect, providing a much-needed respite from the stresses of modern life. Additionally, the sense of accomplishment and pride that comes from creating something tangible with one's own hands can be immensely fulfilling, boosting self-confidence and fostering a deeper connection to the physical world. Beyond the individual benefits, woodworking also plays a vital role in sustaining local economies and preserving cultural heritage. In many communities, skilled woodworkers are responsible for creating unique, artisanal products that reflect the region's history, traditions, and natural resources. This not only supports local businesses and artisans but also helps to preserve the rich tapestry of human craftsmanship that has shaped the world we live in. Becoming a skilled woodworker. Given the enduring importance of woodworking, it is clear that developing this essential skill can be a transformative and empowering experience. But honing the craft of woodworking is no small feat. It requires a unique blend of technical proficiency, creative vision, and practical problem-solving abilities. The journey to becoming a skilled woodworker begins with a foundational understanding of the materials and tools involved. This includes a deep knowledge of wood types, their properties, and how they behave under various conditions, as well as the safe and proper use of essential woodworking tools, such as saws, chisels, planes, and sanders. As you delve deeper into the world of woodworking, it is also crucial to develop a strong grasp of the fundamental techniques and processes that underpin the craft. This may include mastering the art of joinery, learning how to properly measure and cut wood, understanding the principles of design and composition, and honing your finishing techniques to create a professional quality product. But technical proficiency alone is not enough to become a truly skilled woodworker. The most accomplished practitioners in the field also possess a keen eye for design, the ability to think creatively, and the problem-solving skills necessary to overcome the challenges that inevitably arise during the creative process. Whether you are envisioning a sleek and modern piece of furniture or a delicately carved decorative item, the ability to translate your creative vision into a tangible reality is what sets the great woodworkers apart. This requires a deep understanding of design principles, the willingness to experiment and take risks, and the persistence to refine and improve your work until it meets your exacting standards. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked innovative woodworking ideas, contemporary projects for every skill level. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.